In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove addresses from your Amazon account. So go to Amazon, log into your account, and then once you're here in the upper right-hand corner where you see your name there where it says account and list or just account, hover over that and then just go to your account, which is this first option here. Once you're on your account settings where you normally go and view your orders and different information, you should see an option here that says your addresses. And then it says edit, remove, or set default address. If you can't see it up here in the quick menu, go down to the bottom and you should see a link here under ordering and shopping that says your addresses. Once you're there, you're going to see a list of all linked addresses to your Amazon account. In order to remove one, you want to just go to that address which is highlighted by a square and then just click on the button that says remove. Once you click on remove, it'll ask you to confirm the removal and then just click yes. And now that address is completely removed from your account and you'll no longer have the potential to get that selected and have it sent to the wrong location. If you have any questions, I'll put some frequently asked questions in a pinned comment below. If you have your own, put them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video.